In this video you will learn about SQL commands. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SQL commands are instructions. It is used to communicate with the database. It is also used to perform specific tasks, functions, and queries of data. SQL commands are powerful tools that can be used to manage and manipulate data efficiently. SQL can perform various tasks like create a table, add data to tables, drop the table, modify the table, set permission for users. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, understanding SQL commands is essential for working with databases. Types of SQL commands. There are 5 types of SQL commands: DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, and DQL. Let's see all 5 types of SQL commands one by one. 1. Data Definition Language, DDL. DDL changes the structure of the table, like creating a table, deleting a table, altering a table, etc. All the command of DDL are auto-committed. That means it permanently saves all the changes in the database. Here are some commands that come under DDL. Create, drop, alter, truncate. Create. It is used to create a new table in the database. Syntax. Create table, table underscore name, column underscore name. Data types. Example: create table employee, name varchar2, 20, email varchar2, 100, job date. Drop. It is used to delete both the structure and records stored in the table. Syntax. drop table, table underscore name, example: drop table employee. Alter. It is used to alter the structure of the database. This change could be either to modify the characteristics of an existing attribute or probably to add a new attribute. Syntax. To add a new column in the table: alter table, table underscore name, add column underscore name, column definition. Example: alter table stu underscore details, add address varchar2, 20. Alter. Syntax. To modify existing column in the table: alter table, modify column definition. Example: alter table stu underscore details, modify name varchar2, 20. Truncate. It is used to delete all the rows from the table and free the space containing the table. Syntax. Truncate table, table underscore name. Example: truncate table employee. 2. Data Manipulation Language, DML commands are used to modify the database. It is responsible for all form of changes in the database. The command of DML is not auto-committed. That means it can't permanently save all the changes in the database. They can be rollback. Here are some commands that come under DML. Insert, update, delete. Insert. The insert statement is a SQL query. It is used to insert data into the row of a table. Syntax. Insert into table underscore name, call 1, call 2, call 3. Call n. Values: value 1, value 2, value 3, value n. Or insert into table underscore name values: value 1, value 2, value 3, value n. Example: insert into Java point, author, subject, values, Sonu, DBMS. Update. This command is used to update or modify the value of a column in the table. Syntax. Update table underscore name set, column underscore name 1 equals value 1, column underscore name n equals value n, where condition. Example: update student set user underscore name equals Sanu, where student underscore ID equals 3. Delete. It is used to remove one or more row from a table. Syntax. Delete from table underscore name, where condition. Example: delete from Java point where author equals Sonu. 3. Data Control Language, DCL commands are used to grant and take back authority from any database user. Here are some commands that come under DCL. Grant, revoke. Grant. It is used to give user access privileges to a database. Syntax. Grant select, update on my underscore table to some underscore user, another underscore user. Revoke. It is used to take back permissions from the user. Syntax: select, update on my underscore table from USER1, USER2. 4. Transaction control language. TCL commands can only use with DML commands like insert, delete and update only. These operations are automatically committed in the database, that's why they cannot be used while creating tables or dropping them. Here are some commands that come under TCL. Commit rollback savepoint. Commit. Commit command is used to save all the transactions to the database. Syntax: commit. Example: delete from customers where age equals 25. Commit. Rollback. Rollback command is used to undo transactions that have not already been saved to the database. Syntax: rollback. Example: delete from customers where age equals 25. Rollback. Savepoint. It is used to roll the transaction back to a certain point without rolling back the entire transaction. Syntax: savepoint underscore name. 5. Data query language. DQL is used to fetch the data from the database. It uses only one command: select. Select. This is the same as the projection operation of relational algebra. It is used to select the attribute based on the condition described by where clause. Syntax: select expressions from tables where conditions. Example: select emp underscore name from employee where age greater than 20. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.